Did you know the French press was actually patented in Italy, not France, in 1929? Funny how coffee travels and gets new names along the way. Welcome to Coffee Minutes, the podcast for curious coffee lovers and practical thinkers. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and grab your favorite mug. We've got a great episode today. We're diving into a classic debate: French press versus drip coffee. Which one tastes better? Which one's more convenient? And which one should you choose for your daily brew? When it comes to brewing coffee at home, these two methods are among the most popular, and for good reason. They're affordable, easy to use, and give you total control over your cup. But they're also very different. So let's compare them based on flavor profile, convenience, cleanup, and overall vibe. First, flavor profile. French press coffee is full-bodied and bold. That's because the metal mesh filter lets natural oils and fine grounds through, giving you a richer, thicker brew. Drip coffee, especially from machines with paper filters, has a cleaner, lighter taste. It's great if you prefer a smoother, less oily cup. So if you love texture and depth, go French press. If you love clarity and crispness, go drip. Next, ease of use and time. Drip coffee makers are usually set it and forget it. Just load the filter, press the button, and come back when it's ready. French press requires a bit more hands-on attention. You'll boil water, steep the grounds for about 4 minutes, and press slowly. It's a ritual, and some people love that. So for speed and automation, drip wins. For manual brewing and mindfulness, French press takes it. Now, cleanup and maintenance. Drip machines have more parts and filters to deal with. You'll need to descale it every so often and replace paper filters regularly. French press has fewer parts, but you do need to scoop out wet grounds after each use, which can be messy. It's kind of a tie. Depends if you prefer regular maintenance or quick cleanup after brewing. Finally, cost and setup. You can find both options in a wide range of prices. A basic drip machine can cost $25 to $100. A French press can be as low as $15. But the French press doesn't use filters or electricity, so long-term, it can be cheaper. Also, a French press is easier to travel with, needs no plug, and works great in small kitchens. So, which one is better? Well, it depends on you. Some people even use both. Drip for busy mornings, French press for slower weekends. There's no rule that says you can't switch it up. If you want more brewing tips or coffee gear suggestions, check out the curated book list in the description, full of practical guides I've put together just for coffee fans like you. Here's a quick recap. French press equals rich, bold, oily, ritual-based, no filters. Drip coffee equals light, clean, fast, convenient, filter-based. Choose what fits your taste and lifestyle, or keep both and rotate. So, are you team French press or team drip? Let me know in the comments. And while you're at it, like this episode, subscribe, and check the description for helpful coffee books and my Ko-Fi page. Thanks for joining me on Coffee Minutes. That wraps up this podcast batch. But we've got more episodes coming soon on productivity hacks, caffeine science, budgeting, and living well, one cup at a time. Until next time, brew with purpose and sip with joy.